everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Here we got a brand new tiller, custom brought back, said heading as a reverse. I think it's got a lot more problems than that. This belt, it's not even on down here, but if you look at the alignment of these pulleys, look at the belt. This one here is flat. It's not in a V. Now, that's just my imagination. I almost think this thing's on backwards. Or something's wrong. I'm going to look at the book here and see what it says. So guys, I'm not too sure how this is going to go. In my eyes, you got a V-belt here. You got a V-belt here. So one of these is on backwards. And I'm thinking the one on the transmission is backwards. This needs to be turned around. And I tell you guys, that ain't my job. I'm not doing this. We'll have to send this thing out for repair. So this is how you diagnose things. The book doesn't say nothing, but it's just funny, straight from the factory, and it's wrong. So guys, if you have problems with something like this, take it back to the store. Don't mess with it. Don't touch it. I just did this to see what it needed. I'll see you next time here at Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day, and God bless. Okay. Pulley won't come off. Need an impact. I already tore up the end of the shaft down in there. So the only other way I can see at least moving the belt, I'm going to have to take 4 bolts. Well, actually, I'm going to take the 2 ones. I'm going to loosen these. I'm going to lower the transmission down, hopefully, to where I can move this belt over and just go with that. Okay, guys, what I did, I tried to lower it, but I would have to take this off, and I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to put it back together. I'm going to put the wheels on, shove it back and receive it, and it's going out for repair. Tell me in the comments what you think about this project and let me know. Thanks. Bye.